2 irresistible Easter eggs, 1 rich peanut butter, 1 creamy coconut cheesecake, both dipped in silky white chocolate for homemade candy shop magic. Hey, Coconut! Let's make the coconut ones first. Oh, coconut is my favorite. Can you tell? We bought those molds to help us get the perfect egg shape. Cream together 1/4 cup of butter and only 6 ounces of cream cheese. Have the leftover for breakfast. Cream cheese and jelly on our toast in the morning. We'll save it. We eat lots of fun things around here. Cream these together until they're nice and smooth. Matt clearly says the bottle is ahead. Whoopee! It depends upon what ahead means. Dadgummit! Do not call me Poopy! See? Criminy, I told you! Add in kosher salt and vanilla extract. We're almost there. These are so easy. For some great flavor, chop up into pea-sized pieces a bar of white chocolate and melt that over simmering water. This is called a double boiler, and it's the gentle way to melt chocolate. You gotta be careful with white chocolate. Heat it too fast and it splits. Ooh, Poopy, it's beautiful. Finally, good gravy. Ha ha ha! What? What is this? What? Let it cool a moment and add it in. And take that whole 2-pound bag and mix it in. Not all at once, but 1/4 to 1/3 at a time. If it's too thick, your ingredients are on the cold side. Melt about 1 ounce or 2 in the microwave and add it back in. Mix in 7 ounces of shredded coconut and we're in business. I am going to scream! This is malarkey. Absolute fiddle-faddle. We tried these cute molds and they take 50 grams in each. And then we hand rolled 50 grams into egg shapes. Freeze them for 15 minutes for dipping. They don't really stick together and they ended up being huge. Not really a whole egg shape. The villains have located a decorative lie. Excellent.
Then we fortify the frosting.
Whoa, where are we going? Who's doing this? What's going on? Hey, why is this planet mocking us? Poopy, maybe it likes us. Look at that. You should take us to the carnival. We'd win all the games. Add in your peanut butter and cream those together. Kinda cool how it gets lighter in color, huh? Add in vanilla extract and another 2-pound bag of powdered sugar. We hand rolled these. Each batch makes about 3 dozen eggs. don't like Booby! Bowie! Oh. It does not like us! Okay. No! It doesn't like us. Hey! What's going on?
Thank you for your continued incompetence.
Hey! That felt personal. Take 10 ounces of candy melts and nuke them for 30 seconds in the microwave. And stir in between. Then when they're melted, add in the next 10 ounces and do the same thing. Those are tiny dessert forks that our friend Catherine gave us. Who eats dessert that slow? But they work pretty well as a dipping tool. Look what happens to the candy coating when it meets the frozen truffle. It kind of cracks and makes its own decoration.
Bottle secured. Peach suspiciously cooperative. Logging that. Sparkle detected. No contamination. Proceeding.
You're enjoying this.
Negative. I am professionally amused.
We let them harden in a pool of Easter sprinkles instead of on plain parchment. By the way, I was thinking, what do eggs have to do with Jesus rising from the dead in 3 days? I don't buy that whole rock rolling away from the tomb thing. What rock door is shaped like an egg? Rock doors are shaped like coconuts, if you ask me. I'm just saying.
Bottle. At ease.